This is my trusty old British locomotive shed directory. As you can see, it's a little bit in a battered state. It's the 8th edition and it's a little bit torn at the corners, but it's still a very interesting document. Today's modern day shed bash should be relatively easy to find. As the directions state here, it's only 5 minutes from Tyseley station, so I'm off to Tyseley 84E, and the beauty of this one is that the shed is still standing. Now how's that for an original old sign? Tyseley station, and I'm about to begin another modern day shed bash. You can see in the distance there, this is north of the station, and the shed is on the left of that, which is the west side. So the shed is somewhere in this area, and that's where I'm going to be heading. The instructions told me to turn right out of the station, so this is the station, so I'm going to turn right out of the station, and I'm on Wharfdale Road, and it says fork right over the bridge, so that's where I'm heading now. That's Wharfdale Road, so I'm assuming this must also be Wharfdale Road, and given the instructions I should be there in about 5 minutes. Now I know the shed is still standing because it's now a Locomotive Works for Tyseley, and I remember coming here many years ago when Cluncastle had just arrived, 7029. So it was a Great Western Region station, but it also was a London Midland station as well, and it was coded 2A when it was on the LMS. I should say the LMR. I hope there's a sign at the bottom of here just to confirm that it is Wharfdale Road. And there it is, Wharfdale Road. So this is where we've just come down, and the 5-minute walk shouldn't take me much longer. It's a very cold day and all, and it's been raining. I'm now joining Warwick Road as the directions indicated that I should do. So it should be down here on the right hand side. I'm just continuing the journey past the builder supplies here, and my fingers are freezing. It's icy cold, this rain. It's very fine rain that I've got. Well, that didn't take long at all, probably less than 5 minutes. So here we are, Tyseley Locomotive Works. I don't know whether it's open or not. It's a Saturday, so I'm hoping it will be. And it says it's the home of the Shakespeare Express. So Tyseley Locomotive Works, here I am. Seems to be a lot of work going on. I don't know if I'll get in, but one can but try. Very much doubt it. I know there is one of the turntables is here. With a bit of luck I might be able to see some of the engines on it, even if I can't get through. That's an entrance, but I don't know who it's for. Too much work going on here, I think. There's a car just coming out. I might get told off now, who knows. That car's gone through. I'm not going to risk going through there because I'm going to be locked in. And it's a building site and there's plenty of workmen around. And I guess with health and safety around, it's not the right thing to do. See what I can see from over here, from this railings over here. To be honest, there's not a lot to see. I'm going to assume that this is the location of the turntable. It was a two turntable shed when it was originally built, and I can't see any preserved locomotives anywhere, so I can see something down there. I'm not sure what it is. I think that's as well as we're going to do here. So I guess I picked a bad time of the year to come, really. I know that just a little bit further over is the West Midlands Railway. I think they've got like a large modern shed there that houses all their locomotives, all their DMUs and stuff. I just did a little walk down from the engine shed to take a look at the West Midlands Railway site. While I'm here, we might as well have a look at it. I have no idea when this was built, but I noticed it as I drove past. It's a modern facility, as you can see. And there are a few things there lit up. Don't know how many roads that is, but looks at least 4, maybe 5. Probably cleaning facilities as well. So that's the adjacent side. So there we have it. Tyseley 84E, I think it was, Tyseley shed. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again on the next one. Sorry I couldn't get any more detail than that, but that's the way it goes sometimes. Thanks again, and bye for now.